Coquette fashion, with its flirtatious and playful appeal, has become a popular style choice for women seeking a youthful and charming aesthetic. Here are some do's and don'ts to guide you through the world of coquette fashion. Embracing pastels in your fashion and beauty choices can add a dreamy touch to your overall look. Here are some tips to help you incorporate pink and pastel colors into your makeup, hair, and clothing. You want to combine different pastel shades in your outfits to create a harmonious and whimsical look. Experiment with soft pinks, blues, greens, and lavenders in tops, skirts, dresses, or accessories. Opt for flowy and feminine silhouettes like A-line dresses, skirts, or blouses to enhance the coquette energy. Ruffles, lace, and other delicate details can also contribute to the romantic aesthetic. Add accessories in complementary pastel tones such as earrings, scarves, or handbags. This can be a subtle way to introduce these colors if you're not ready for a full pastel outfit. When it comes to makeup, you can achieve a fresh and youthful complexion with a dewy foundation or tinted moisturizer. Soft, glowing skin serves as the perfect canvas for pastel makeup. You can experiment with pastel eyeshadows in shades like baby pink, lavender, or mint green. You can create a subtle wash of color on the lids for a delicate and charming look. Apply a rosy or peachy blush to add a flush of color to your cheeks. This enhances the coquette aesthetic by giving you a youthful and playful appearance. Opt for lip tints or glosses in soft pastel shades. This adds a touch of color to your lips without being too bold, maintaining the dreamy and romantic vibe. Now let's talk about how you can incorporate pastel in your hair. You can add pastel hair accessories like bows, headbands, or hairpins. These can be subtle accents or bolder statements depending on your style. Look for contrast here, especially if you have darker hair. The light colors stand out more. If you're feeling really bold, you can experiment with temporary pastel hair colors. You can try highlights, ombre effects, or even temporary hairspray to add a pop of color without committing to a permanent change. Now, for a less drastic move, another option is to style your hair in soft waves or curls to complement the romantic and coquettish aesthetic. This adds a touch of femininity and elegance to your overall look while not overdoing it. Elevate your look with bows. This is the quintessential accessory of coquette style. Whether enhancing your hair, clothing, or accessories, bows add that perfect touch of charm to complete your ensemble. Adding signature bows to your outfit is a fantastic way to embrace the coquette style and infuse this charm into your look. Now, I want to show you some creative ways to incorporate bows into your hair, clothing, and accessories. Opt for headbands with bow details to add a sweet and playful touch to your hairstyle. Headbands have made a comeback these last couple of years, so don't be afraid to step outside of your norm and try them out. They can work well with both updos and loose hair, creating a cute and polished look. Use small bow-shaped hair clips to pin back sections of your hair or to accessorize a half-up, half-down hairstyle. These clips are versatile and can be used for various hair lengths. Choose hair ties with attached bows to secure your ponytail or bun. This adds a touch of femininity to a classic hairstyle and it keeps your look cohesive. When it comes to dressing, select dresses with bow details on the neckline, waist, or sleeves. This can enhance the coquette aesthetic while drawing attention to specific features of the dress. You can easily incorporate blouses or shirts with bow tie necklines. This classic looks elegant and pairs well with skirts, trousers, or even jeans for a versatile coquette style. Something you don't see every day is to accentuate your waist with a bow-adorned belt. This not only adds a charming detail to your outfit, but also helps define your silhouette. When it comes to jewelry, the easiest way you can blend in bows is by choosing earrings with bow shapes to frame your face delicately. These can be subtle studs or more elaborate dangling earrings, depending on your personal style, as always. I recently featured this pearl bow tie necklace in my top jewelry trends video. Look for necklaces with bow pendants or any small details even. It adds a touch of whimsical to your neckline and complements the coquette aesthetic. For a unique take, a more vintage-inspired look, you can consider gloves with bow accents. This accessory can elevate your outfit, especially for more formal occasions. A simple, delicate lace pair is a refined statement piece that you don't see a lot of women wear. Exploring balletcore in romantic apparel can bring a graceful and whimsical essence to your coquette style. Here are some tips on how to incorporate these elements into your wardrobe. Let's talk about specific footwear options that are easy to find. It's not a coincidence that one of this year's top shoe trends is the ballet flats. You can opt for classic ballet flats in soft pastel shades or neutrals. These timeless shoes not only add a touch of elegance, but also contribute to the ballet-inspired aesthetic. You can also embrace the vintage charm of Mary Jane shoes by choosing styles with delicate straps and feminine details to complement your coquette look. When it comes to dressing, slip dresses exude an effortless chic and feminine aura. It's a must-have wardrobe essential anyway, especially now that brands tend to skip lining the garments. Choose dresses in silk or satin materials with lace or floral accents for a romantic touch. Mini skirts can be styled in soft fabrics and pastel colors. I like to have fun with shorter lengths and thicker tights to balance out the coverage. It's a youthful look at any age. Pair them with blouses or sweaters to create a playful yet sophisticated coquette outfit. Integrate lace and ruffle details into your clothing for a romantic flair. This can be through blouses, skirts, or dresses to add texture and visual interest. Embrace floral prints in your clothing choices, whether it's a floral dress, blouse, or skirt. Floral patterns contribute to the romantic and feminine aesthetic associated with the coquette style. I know we talked about the pre-made bows. Another option is just plain ribbons or ties as accessories to enhance your balletcore inspired look. For a more natural and organic flow, tie a ribbon around your neck or in your hair for a delicate and charming touch. Pearls exude timeless elegance. Don't forget to incorporate pearl accessories such as necklaces, bracelets, or earrings, as well as shirts or blazers with pearl buttons to add a touch of feminine energy to your outfit. Now, when it comes to hair, opt for soft and romantic updo hairstyles such as loose buns or braids. This complements the balletcore aesthetic and adds a touch of grace to your overall look. For more inspiration, Pinterest has plenty of examples of the coquette aesthetic. I've pinned some to my board if you want to check it out. You can explore playful videos showcasing bows on unexpected items, and even if just for fun, it's a nice break from our normal routine outfits we wear on repeat. Adding a few delicate elements now and then, getting in touch with our inner femininity, and getting new ideas always feels refreshing, especially with the new warmer months coming soon. Here are some don'ts to avoid when trying out the coquette aesthetic. While coquette celebrates femininity, avoid going to extremes. Strive for a balanced look that captures the essence of the trend without becoming overly frilly or cutesy. For example, this woman is wearing a regular pair of jeans, but at the same time, she's embracing the romantic side with color through the red ballet flats, the bow, and the open back. Coordinate your bows to maintain a cohesive aesthetic. Avoid clashing colors or patterns that might disrupt the harmony of your coquette ensemble. I would keep it to one bow style at a time. If you choose the hair accessory, don't wear it on clothes. However, you can combine bows with flats and pearls, for example. While simplicity is key, don't fall into the trap of minimalism overload. Coquette fashion thrives on details, so strike a balance between simplicity and intricate elements. Choose them deliberately and make them less obvious through dainty jewelry or smaller ribbons. Resist the temptation to create overly themed outfits. Subtle nods to coquette fashion within your overall style will be more effective than a head-to-toe thematic approach. You don't want to look like a character. If you feel like one, then just remove one themed item until you feel you found the right balance and comfort level. Appreciate the coquette trend without overthinking it. Don't complicate your interpretation. Let the charm and lightness of the aesthetic shine through effortlessly. Make it look like it's part of your everyday wear, and don't emphasize them through touching. By following these do's and avoiding the don'ts, you can confidently embrace the coquette trend and perhaps let this aesthetic inspire your wardrobe in 2024. For more style inspiration, you want to see my next video here. I'll see you there.